Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to Intelligent Vloggers, your YouTube channel. एंड आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक और टॉपिक लेकर आया हूँ, तो चलते हैं उसके ऊपर बात करते हैं। पश्तो इज़ द लैंग्वेज स्पोकन बाय द पीपल ऑफ खैबर Pakhtunkhwa and in the northern areas of Balochistan. Like most languages, it has been heavily influenced by other languages such as Arabic, Persian, and Greek. The history of Pashto literature can be divided into three periods. The first period dates from around the 2nd to the 13th century. The first Pashto poet of this period was Amir Khan Pehlevan, though the most famous was Bayazid Ansari. His most famous work, Khairul Bayan, was probably the first book on Sufism in Pashto, AB and KP literature. The second period begins with the Mughal invasions of India in the early 13th century and lasted for about 100 years. It was during this period that the quality of the Pashto prose was at its peak. Also during this time, Pashto poetry reflected the growth of nationalism, and Pashto literature played an important part in asserting Pashto freedom. Perhaps the greatest scholar in this period was Hazrat Mia Umar, and other famous literary personalities of the period were Sadat Ali Khan and Amir Muhammad Ansari. The third period extends to the establishment of the British rule and is also considered to be a golden period for Pashto literatures, as so much high quality writing was produced. Famous writers from this period include Ankhud, Dardiza, and Kushal Khan Khattak, as well as the Sufi poet Rahman Baba. Pashto literature played a very important part in creating opposition to British rule and in the movement for independence. Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum worked tirelessly to increase the political awareness of the people of the Northwest Frontier Province, and it was his work which was the driving force behind setting up the Islama College in Peshawar. Here, study in Pashto helped foster unity, and the college became the center of the freedom movement in NWFP, now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So guys, this is my video. If you liked my video, please thumbs up for a like and subscribe to my channel for new videos from my channel. So bye bye. Yep.